How to delete account in Credit Karma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Credit Karma account. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in creditkarma.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Credit Karma. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Here, registration is not allowed in my region, so I'm not able to proceed further. But in this video, I'm going to guide you how you can delete your account. For that, click on this Help Center option at the top right. And in this page here, you will need to click on Manage Your Account. After doing that, in the search bar, you can type Close My Account. Now search for it. You will get various search results here. Here, first choose your account, whether your account is Credit Karma Money Save account or Money Spent account. Once you click on one of these options, you will reach inside it. Here you'll be able to see the steps on how you can close or delete your Credit Karma account. It says that if you want to close your Credit Karma account, first of all, you need to make sure you don't have any pending transfers or open disputes. Once you have confirmed that, you will need to go to Credit Karma Money Save account or Money Spent account. And there you will need to find the account setting page, which will be at the bottom of the saving hubs. Once you click on that, you will be able to see Close Saving Account or Close Spent Account. Simply click on that option and then click on Continue to follow the on-screen prompts. After that, you will need to follow the on-screen prompts to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. You will also need to choose a reason for closing your account, and after that, you may proceed further. It also says that if you close your Credit Karma Money Save or Money Spent account, any remaining funds and earned interest will be automatically transferred to a linked external account, and any scheduled automated deposits will be cancelled. And once after doing that, you may receive an email to confirm the account deletion. You will need to follow any final instructions provided in the email to fully delete your account. And once your account is deleted, you will no longer have any access to your Credit Karma data. So by following these steps and guide, you will be able to delete your Credit Karma account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.